Lost in the desert lies a city carved by legends. Welcome to Petra, the ancient rose city of Jordan. Hidden behind a narrow gorge called the Siq, Petra suddenly reveals itself in the form of Al-Khazne, the iconic treasury, glowing pink in the Yai desert light. Wander through tombs, temples, and towering rock facades that whisper tales of the Nabatean kingdom. As the sun sets, Petra turns golden, a living memory of a time when trade and power met in stone. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is Jordan's crown jewel and a timeless wonder, where stars fall asleep in silence and sand sings at sunrise. Welcome to Wadi Rum, the Valley of the Moon, a vast red desert of towering cliffs, ancient petroglyphs, and endless horizons. Ride through the sands on a camel or a 4x4, exploring natural rock bridges and silent canyons. At night, sleep under a blanket of stars in a Bedouin camp, surrounded by the stillness of nature. This Martian landscape isn't just beautiful, it's otherworldly, and it has hosted the sets of films, like The Martian and Dune. Float like never before, in the sea that won't let you sink. The Dead Sea, the lowest point on Earth, is a natural marvel that promises healing and serenity. Its hypersaline waters allow you to float effortlessly, while the mineral-rich mud nourishes your skin. Surrounded by desert cliffs, this silent sea invites you to relax, rejuvenate, and marvel at nature's mystery. Whether you're seeking health, peace, or a once-in-a-lifetime photo, the Dead Sea delivers an unforgettable experience. A city layered with time, where ancient ruins live among the living. Amman, the capital of Jordan, is a vibrant mix of modern life and ancient history. Visit the Amman Citadel, where Roman columns and Islamic mosques share the skyline. Wander through the Roman theater, still standing strong in the heart of the city. From trendy cafes to traditional souks, Amman offers a rich cultural mosaic where past and present coexist in beautiful harmony. Hidden in the hills lies a city of mosaics and miracles. Madaba, often called the City of Mosaics, is home to some of the most beautiful and ancient mosaic art in the world. The most famous of all? The Madaba map, a 6th century mosaic depicting the Holy Land found in the Greek Orthodox Church of St. George. Just a short drive away lies Mount Nebo, the sacred mountain where Moses is believed to have seen the Promised Land. The panoramic view is as spiritual as it is scenic. In Jordan's north, an empire's legacy lies in stone. Jerash, often called the Pompeii of the East, boasts one of the best preserved Roman cities outside of Italy. Walk through grand colonnaded streets, massive theaters, ancient temples, and public plazas. The Oval Plaza, flanked by Ionic columns, is a breathtaking sight that echoes the grandeur of Rome. History buffs and curious travelers alike will be mesmerized by the city's astonishing preservation and classical charm. Where cool waters meet desert dreams, Aqaba, Jordan's only Red Sea resort city, is a paradise for beach lovers and divers. Beneath the surface lies a world of colorful coral reefs, sunken ships, and vibrant marine life. On the surface, you'll find golden beaches, luxury resorts, and a warm sun that never stops shining. Aqaba is the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, making it a refreshing escape from the desert heat. A castle high in the hills whispers stories of crusaders and kings. Kirak Castle, a mighty crusader fortress, stands proudly over the Jordanian landscape. Explore its labyrinth of stone corridors, dark dungeons, and arched halls. From the top, the views stretch across rolling hills and desert plains. This imposing structure tells stories of conquest, strategy, and resilience, reminders of Jordan's strategic place in history. In the silence of nature, you find the loudest peace. Dana Biosphere Reserve is Jordan's largest nature reserve, a sanctuary of breathtaking biodiversity. Hike through rugged mountains, deep canyons, and desert plains. Spot rare wildlife like the Nubian ibex, and stay in eco-lodges with panoramic views. It's the perfect escape for nature lovers, offering peace, hiking trails, and raw, untouched beauty. a hidden canyon where water and rock dance together. Wadi Mujib, known as Jordan's Grand Canyon, is a dramatic gorge that offers adrenaline-pumping adventures. Trek through the Sikh Trail, where waterfalls crash down and narrow sandstone walls rise high above. Wade, swim, and climb your way through this natural water park carved by time. It's an experience of thrill and wonder, tucked deep into the desert's heart. Where east kisses west, a world of wonder unfolds. Welcome to Istanbul, the heart of Turkey, where ancient empires once ruled and the skyline is crowned with majestic minarets. The Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque sit proudly on opposite sides of time, whispering stories of Byzantium and the Ottoman sultans. Wander through the Grand Bazaar, a kaleidoscope of colors, spices, and silk. Take a ferry ride across the Bosphorus and feel the magic of two continents meeting. At sunset, the city glows golden as the call to prayer echoes through the air, wrapping you in a spell of history, beauty, and soul. It's like stepping into a dream, only this dream is carved in stone. Cappadocia is one of Turkey's most surreal landscapes, where fairy chimneys rise from the earth like natural sculptures. Float in a hot air balloon at dawn, watching the valleys light up in hues of pink and orange. Explore the underground cities and cave churches hidden within the soft volcanic rock. Every corner of this magical region feels like a blend of fantasy and history. Here, nature and man have co-authored, a masterpiece unlike any other. The water is so clear, it feels like the sky is swimming in it. Along Turkey's turquoise coast lies Ölüdeniz, a haven of pure serenity. Known for its famous blue lagoon, this coastal paradise offers calm, crystal-clear waters framed by lush, green hills. Paragliding over the bay gives you a view that words can't capture. The sunsets here paint the sea in shades of lavender and gold. This is your sanctuary if you're looking for peace, adventure, and natural beauty. Wander through time in the land where myths were born. Ephesus is an open-air museum of ancient wonders. Walk along marble roads once tread by Roman senators. Stand before the Grand Library of Celsus, an architectural gem still awe-inspiring. After centuries, the ruins of this once mighty city tell tales of gods, gladiators, and great thinkers. With every step, history becomes breathtakingly alive. When nature sculpts in white, the result is pure magic. Pamukkale, meaning cotton castle, is a cascade of white travertine terraces formed by mineral-rich hot springs. The shimmering pools spill over the mountainside in a surreal formation that looks like a frozen waterfall. Soak your feet in the warm, healing waters as the sun dances on the surface. Nearby, the ancient ruins of Hierapolis invite you to explore sacred temples and Roman baths, fusing nature and history in an unforgettable embrace, a city with secrets carved into cliffs and echoes from the past. Amasya, nestled in a narrow river valley, is one of Turkey's hidden gems. Ottoman-era mansions line the riverbanks, while tombs of ancient kings are etched into the cliffs above. As night falls, the entire town is bathed in soft lights, reflecting off the water like a fairy tale. It's a place where poetry breathes through the stones and quiet beauty reigns supreme. Here the sea sings and the cliffs listen. Antalya is the crown jewel of the Turkish Riviera, offering golden beaches, charming old towns, and dramatic mountain backdrops. The old harbor blends ancient walls with modern cafes, creating a perfect harmony of past and present. Waterfalls plunge into the sea, while nearby ruins like Termessos and Purge add depth to the coastal charm. Whether you seek adventure or relaxation, Antalya delivers it with elegance. Mystery lives in the mountains, and serenity walks beside it. Rise and the Black Sea region offer a different Turkey, lush, green, and filled with fog-draped hills. Tea plantations stretch endlessly, feeding the soul with both beauty and the country's favorite drink. Explore quaint villages with wooden homes and timeless traditions. The cool, misty air invites you to breathe deeply and let go. It's a corner of Turkey where time slows and nature takes the lead. Each stone here has a story, each ruin a soul. Mount Nemrut is one of the world's most awe-inspiring archaeological sites. Atop this remote mountain stand giant stone heads of ancient gods, gazing silently over the horizon. Built by a forgotten king to honor himself and the divine, this UNESCO World Heritage Site becomes truly magical at sunrise. As golden light kisses the statues, it feels like the heavens themselves are waking. In the calm of the Aegean, beauty blooms with every breeze. Bozcaada, a peaceful island in the Aegean Sea, is Turkey's best-kept coastal secret. With its whitewashed houses, cobblestone streets, and gentle vineyards, it feels like a storybook come to life. The beaches are pristine, the sunsets divine. Here life slows down, and every moment tastes of freedom and sea salt. It's the perfect end to your journey through a country that never stops surprising.